Hello, good morning, students. Today we will start example 2. Okay, in previous video we have solved question 1 and introduction, but today we are going to solve question 2. It is about quadrilateral. Okay, it is about quadrilateral. Quadrilateral ABCD is given. AB equal to BC. Okay, AD equal to BC. And angle DAB equal to angle CBA is given in figure. So we have proved that three results: triangle ABD, congruent triangle BAC. Second result, BD equal to AC. And third, angle ABD equal to angle BAC. These three results we have proved. Okay. Now draw first quadrilateral ABCD in your notebook. Okay. Draw two diagonals AC and BD in dot line. Make mark on AD and BC because AD equal to BC is given in question, and we have proved these three results. Okay. So using this theorem, using this figure, we have solved this rider. This is geometrical problems that we have solved, prove that result, that is rider. Okay, in exam it may be asked, may not be asked, but we are going to solve this rider. So now given ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD equal to BC, you can see in figure. On AD side there is mark, on BC side there is a single dot, single line is drawn, segment. So AD equal to BC. Okay, and AB equal to BA. Why we can call AB equal to BA? Because it is common. Okay, AB equal to BA is the common. Angle DAB equal to angle CBA. Angle DBA equal to angle CBA, because this angle B is in between angle. Okay, DBA equal to CBA. DAB equal to CBA. This is given in question. So side angle, side angle is in included angle. Okay, and according to SAS rule, side angle side rule, we can prove triangle ABD congruent triangle BAC. In this way we can prove first result. Now we are going to prove second result. Okay. First we have proved what? Triangle ABD congruent triangle BAC. This we have proved in first result. Okay, therefore we can directly prove BD equal to AC. BD equal to AC, two diagonals are equal, that we have proved by the theorem congruent corresponding part of congruent triangle. CPCT means corresponding part of congruent triangle. So we can prove second result now, BD equal to AC, both the diagonals are equal, that we can prove from this figure. Now third result. In first result what we have proved? Triangle ABD congruent triangle BAC. So we can directly prove angle ABD equal to angle BAC. These two angle will be equal, that is CPCT means corresponding part of congruent theorem. Okay. So now third example we are going to solve. In third example, figure is given. AD and BC are equal. See in figure, AD and BC are equal. Perpendiculars, AD and BC. You can see there is a symbol of right angle, so it is perpendicular in figure. Then what we have proved that, show that CD bisect AB. Bisect AB means it makes two equal part. Which two equal part? OC equal to OD. That we have proved. OC equal to OD and OB equal to OA. If we can prove OA equal to OB, then we can say that AB bisect CD, means makes two equal part, OA and OD and OC. These two equal part we can prove that. Okay, now in the figure, so first draw figure in your notebook. Given AD and BC are equal, perpendicular to a line segment AB. Both are equal to line segment AB. Okay. Now we have proved CD bisects AB. CD bisects AB means we have proved OB equal to OA. OB equal to OA, that is we have proved. So if we can directly then say CD bisects AB. So to given this proof, take two triangle that you can see in figure. Which two triangle? OAD below triangle and OBC above triangle. Okay. So in this two triangle, we can take given data. What is given? AD equal to BC. AD equal to BC. This is given in question. Okay, AD equal to BC given in question. Now, which two angles are equal? 90 degree. Which 90 degree? Angle OAD equal to angle OBC. Above triangle B is 90, below triangle angle A is 90. So we can write OAD equal to OBC. This is 90 degree and both 90 degree are equal. So, and which two angles are vertically opposite? We know that when two lines intersect, then opposite angles make these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are which? Angle AOD and angle BOC are vertically opposite angles. So which rules we are going to take? AAS means angle, side. Why not SAS? Because two angles are continued and one side is extra, means remains. Side is not included between two angles, so we can take as departed, means different, not in between, not included. So triangle OAD congruent triangle OBC according to AAS, angle side rules, we can prove that OA equal to OB, OA equal to OB. This is we can prove. And OA equal to OB we can prove. Then we can say that CD bisects AB. When any segment bisect, it intersect and two parts are equal, two segments are equal, then it is called bisector or bisect. CPCT means corresponding part of congruent triangle. This is short form. If you write in exam, it is very good, but don't write, so mark will not be cut, but you have write in exam, CPCT. Okay? Now we are going to take example 4. L and M are two parallel lines. We can see in figure. You can write in your notebook from the PDF. It is homework. Okay? It is homework. You can write in your notebook. It is homework. But I will explain what is given, what is, okay. We can see in figure two lines L and M are parallel and another parallel P and Q. It is line slanting but parallel, P and Q also parallel. And we can draw AC in between. Then ABCD is quadrilateral and two triangle formed, ABC and ADC. Two triangles are formed. These two triangles are congruent. That we have proved. Okay? Prove. We have proved triangle ABC congruent triangle CDA. Okay, now we can prove this result. AB parallel CD, okay, and in two triangle BC equal to AD. This is result first. AB equal to CD, result 2. And which two triangles are equal? ABC and CDA. This is opposite angle, and triangle ABC and triangle CDA. Okay, prove. Result 1, result 2, BC equal to DA. So triangle ABC equal to angle CDA. Therefore, we can say that triangle ABC congruent triangle CDA. Which rule? SAS rule. Okay. So you can write from PDF or it is in homework. Okay.